Hi guys, so today we're going to be working on this image or this. I have like 10 images here, so we're going to be applying CSS grid on them. So just to give it a good layout, a good gallery layout. So just to go straight forward. So all I have to do is come here, then address the parent element here, which is the parent class. So this, then give it a display grid. Now we have to give it decides the dimension of the column, then we say group template columns. So bit. So let's say we want five columns at let me say 20%, 20%. Then we give it row dimension to grid template row. So let's say let me use auto instead of choosing this. So let's say I want uh, grid auto rows, then I don't max, then let me say give it 10 pixels here. Let's give it 10 pixels here, then we want it to be auto. So let's save this. So this is how it looks. This is how it will look after using the the template columns and the auto rows. So it's going to look like this. But if you can notice that some images are bigger than this size, like for example this one, and this one is shorter, this one is bigger here. So we want everything, all these pictures, we want it to have the same sizes. All we have to do is just come here and pick this. So pick this because it's the container for the image, then we work on it. So all we have to do is just give it the width. So let's say we're giving it a width of, let's say 200 pixels, then give it height of, let me say 200 pixels here too. Then let's save this. You can see that's because the size we're giving it is smaller than the image and we want it to cover the whole page. So let me just increase this here and say 400. So you see everything works well. But the problem here is, as you can see, this image is here, this last image here, it's staying on top of this image right here. So have to do is just say overflow hidden. So you can notice now that it is no longer there. You can see it is no longer there. It is no longer there, and everything, all the images, all the dog images here are responsive, as you can notice it. So now you have to also work on the image itself. Let me just come here and say the image. Then this is what we want the image to take the width of the parent container of its parent container. So we want it to be 100%. Then the height, want it at 100% to 100%. Then for the objects, which is the images, we want it to fit them. We say cover. So, yeah. So as you can notice that as we are decreasing the screen size using the developer tool, the built-in developer tool that Chrome gave us, you can see the column is still the same. It is still following the same column, which is the 5 that we give here. So now we want it to reduce according to the screen size. All we have to do right now is, let me just do this and say that is, then now we come here, we see that's media screen. So now we give it screen. So let's say that's max width, max width. So let's say when the maximum width is 1000, so just use 1000 pixels here, 1000 pixels. Then we want this. So this grid container, let me see, I don't know why it's bringing an error here. I don't know why I'm coming. So I think here I forgot to put and here. So let's save this and let's see. Let's reduce it to, you see, it changes. It changes to 4 columns. It changes to 4 columns. Yeah, it changes to 4 columns. So that is if we want it to be more than that. If we want it to reduce to 3, all we have to do again is to pick this again. Yes, let's say 800. This is just an explanation. If it's on a real project, we have to do a proper calculation for us to know the size. We have to find out the breakpoints. We have to figure out the breakpoints. Then we we adjust the styling in relating to the breakpoint that we're having. So, but because this is just like an explanation for you to understand. So that is why I'm just trying to rush this so you can just understand. There are some things that still needs to be fixed here, but in the later tutorial of this playlist of this channel, we're going to be working on these images. As if you can notice right here that immediately we reduce this, you can see that this last one here is getting on top of this. If you can notice, we are going to be working on this. We're going to be making more explanation on this because I don't want this video to be too much. I just want you to grab the basic concept of using CSS grid with image, like the CSS grid image examples. So that is why I'm trying to finish this as soon as possible. But I believe you're able to get the concept. So when the maximum screen is 1000, so when it's immediately to, if you can check this right here, this one up here, let me use this for you to explain to understand better. So you see this is still 5, but immediately it reach 1000, you see, immediately it reach 1000, this changed to 1 2 3 4. You see the columns change to 4. Now let's say we are going down to 800 pixels, so 800, and get to something close then. Let's see this. Oh, see, this is now three columns, one, two, and three. See, so this is now three columns, one, two, two. This is six. This is nine, and this is the last one. But the problem is this images, especially this one, is taking 20%. It's taking 20% of this. So, but don't worry about it. We are going to be explaining it a little much better with a longer video. But for now, I just believe you were able to get a concept on how you can apply CSS grid on images. So thank you for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you have anything, any question, any observation, any requests, please don't forget to drop it in the comments. I'll be glad to assist in any way I can. Thank you so much.